Okay, last time you saw this crap. Oh, that's terrible. Wow, that is horrible. I got some from Auxito. Let's try it again. Number 2. What a pain in the butt. Let's try it again. Auxito, I sell these. So if you want one, I'll put a link. Okay. Looks the same as the, let's do a side by side. With the garbage we put in yesterday. Alright, so these are a little bit bigger. Just a little bit bigger, a little more of a heat sink, I think. Put that crap back. Can't return them, but whatever. Now these, I have higher hopes. We'll put it that way. Oh, let's do this again, and same thing I showed you yesterday. If you didn't see that video, go back, because it was a major disappointment. Okay, let's get closer this time so you can actually see. There's a little tab on the back, and we're gonna go down and over, and down and over, and then that clip just pops right out. Hopefully that's a better view for you. And this should come right out. That hang. That one in with the tab. Sliced off corner or whatever you want. The flat spot. Put the flat spot in the right spot. Okay, and this is going to go under this clip. Hopefully. If I can get it. I got it fine yesterday. What's going on here? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What a bitch. Yeah, are you in? Good grief. This video is going to be a little bit rushed. It's cold out here. Get the furnace going, but it's not enough. Okay. Before I put the screws back in, looks like it's very, very close to touching that lens. Alright, let's test it. I'm starting to wonder here. I don't know. It's definitely better than yesterday. Wow, that is horrible. I'm going to try them. It's blue too, so that's kind of throwing things off. This is not supposed to be blue. It's supposed to be white. Now it's kind of tough to tell in here with the I don't know, because I am keeping them in there. I'm going to try them on the road. I'm going to keep these in. I don't know, I don't think they're any brighter. They might have a better pattern on the ground. I don't know. We'll consult the tape. We'll look at yesterday's footage and see if it's definitely brighter than the one I had in here yesterday. Just for now. And the other advantage here is it draws way less amperage than that halogen I've been blowing fuses. That went a lot easier than the first one. What is going on with this wire? Is this why I'm... That looks burned to me. I wonder if that's why I was... Might be why I was blowing fuses. Okay. Let's test them out. Okay. Alright, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Yep, okay. These are good. Yeah. I like that a lot better. Okie dokie. Well, if you would like to buy a pair of these, I will put a link in the description. And I believe it's 5% off. I think it's a 5%. It's either 5 or 10% off. I believe it's 5. But if you use my link, you'll get a discount on these bulbs. I'm going to put the price of the bulbs on the screen because I don't know it right now. I think they were $36. I think. I don't know. I'm not sure what the price was. So I'll put the price on the screen. I'm going to save these halogens because there's nothing wrong with them. I'm going to save those out for another project maybe. And Auxito for the win. This is model H1, 6500K white. It's supposed to be 5 times brighter than the halogens, but I don't know, maybe these are upgraded halogens because they aren't. I think the standard halogen's 55 watt, but okay, these are, oh, these are 100 watts, that's why. Okay. So these are hundreds, 100 watt, which is probably why I was blowing fuses, because they're supposed to be 55, I believe. These are, I'd say they're right up there with the 100 watt bulb, 100 watt halogens, so they are twice as bright as the stock ones would have been. Save those for later, never throw anything away. Okay, so the moral of the story here, the life lesson is Farron sucks, and Auxito for the win. Let's try them with the headlights. With the headlights, without the headlights. And headlights without. Uh-oh. There we go. Now, I think we're good. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching.